Hi everyone, welcome back to Ditzy Beauty, and I'm today doing another Halloween tutorial with you. I'm gonna do a jack-o'-lantern face look. I am using, I don't know if you can read that, but this is a Mosey something, I don't know. But these are my watered based face paints. Here, this would probably be better. Mosey something. But anyways, I'm going to be using that today to create a jack-o'-lantern look. This palette, I ordered it off of Amazon, and I think it's like $14. So we're also going to be testing the quality of it. And it comes with two little brushes, but since I'm doing my whole face, I'm going to need a bigger brush. So I'm using this makeup brush that I don't use at all. So yeah. So apparently all we gotta do is dip this in water. Okay. And then we're just gonna dip it in the orange. Oh, we got a little bit of color because this isn't foundation. And we need an orange look. Probably gonna need a Kleenex. Yeah, I'm getting these all over these other brushes. This is just a cheaper way if you're not like a professional. I'm not a professional, so I wasn't gonna go spend a lot of money on face paint that I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to be using quite often. Just go down my neck a tiny bit. It's not that pigmented yet, but I wonder if I put it, I mean, it's popping up orange, but it's not like orange, like a thick. Oh, I just got a little bit in the pink, purple color. That's why I'm got a Kleenex. It's a little hard to get the colors out, but we are gonna be orange. Ooh, should have glued down my eyebrows. The paint doesn't smell bad. I just smelled it. It does not smell. Oh, I'm dripping. Too much water. Too much water. Okay, let's try that again. Oh yeah, that's way too much water. I'm gonna get another. So if you add too much water, you are not gonna get any product. It came right off of my brush, by the way, and now I just held it back up and I was like, There, much better. I should have glued my eyebrows down, but I don't have any glue here. I will have to bring glue home from work because I have glue there. Now I do have to go out after this, so I'm gonna have to like wash this off when I go upstairs. So I'm trying. It is oranger than I'm expecting it to be. Now I'm not going over my eyes too much just because, well, there's gonna be black there in a little bit. I mainly just want the orange paint where my jack-o'-lantern, where it's orange for a pumpkin. Kind of look like Oompa Loompa right now. And I think my boyfriend thinks I'm filming like a makeup tutorial too, but little does he realize I got out the paint and I'm gonna be filming a Halloween tutorial. Alright, so you're gonna let this dry for a minute and then apply a second coat. But if you want a second coat, I mean, there's some patches like right up in here that I think would definitely need more paint, but yeah. Now, like I said, it did, but I had a big brush and it did make a little bit of a mess in the palette. Next, you are going to outline where you would put your cutouts. And now I'm gonna take and I'm gonna fill them in. I should probably use a smaller brush. I'm gonna dab it. You guys, I look so weird. By the way, I've never done Halloween makeup tutorials. This is officially my second. I'm gonna go with the rectangle like shape brush they gave me to just really try to deepen the black up. So far, I don't like this paint. It's not that it's like irritating or anything. It's just not that pigment. Like, if I buy a black paint, I want it to be black. Like, really, really black. I'm not gonna get too close to my eye just because, well, yeah. Just don't want to. I'm gonna go around these edges though. Okay, I learned now that I am making this not a triangle, it is getting round. We're gonna have round eyes. That's okay. Alright, I am now gonna go take a black eyeshadow, which I should have somewhere down here. I don't think there's a black. I have this dark brown that I will use. I thought I had a black one, but I'm not seeing one. So I'm gonna go in with this like dark brown. Black would look much better in my opinion, but when it's not accessible, you're gonna fill it in with something else. But I feel like this is gonna be safer around your eyes using a eyeshadow to kind of help really look like a pumpkin. Let's go ahead and do my nose while we're waiting. I'm gonna be taking the black rectangle brush that came in this, and I'm just gonna kind of carve out my nose in a way. Okay, and there's my nose. This is looking like 10 times more better on the film than it is in person. This is gonna be the trickiest part because I feel like I don't know how I want to do my mouth. Whew. You guys, that's making me nervous. And then for this, I think I'm just gonna kind of make it, I want it kind of creepy in a way. So we're just gonna take and just take our time and just make these lines. Going up and down. Now, if you want to like a true jack-o'-lantern thing, you're gonna have to like really go steady. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and, okay, so I'm back. Went ahead and did this side, and literally all I'm doing is I went down, up and down, just to make this like really creepy kind of thing. I didn't have any black lipstick downstairs, so I just painted my lips right now with the paint. But if you're gonna wear this out and about, I wouldn't do that because it's just gonna wash away. And make sure if you're wearing water-based paint out and about on Halloween to drink out of straw, because you don't wanna mess up your lips. But anyways, kind of want one right there. Yeah, okay. Anyways, I kind of just did that all over. I am going to go back in with the Morphe palette and that brush, and I'm just going to dust my whole area out. Okay. Next, I'm going in with the black paint again, because I should have done this first, but I didn't. We are now going to draw our pumpkin lines, or our jack-o'-lantern lines, and you're gonna take and just kind of, I'm scared to do this because you don't want to mess up. Should I start in the middle? No, let's start right here. Something like that. And you're just gonna draw these lines down this side. This line is so crooked up here. Oh, I just made it. Oh, I'm gonna stop before I make that worse. All right, so you have these lines going down your face. Then you're gonna go ahead and deepen them up a little bit with this black or brown or whatever shadow you're using. And you're just gonna go over the lines just a little bit. Like I said, we're just kind of, that's not dry. You should probably wait till your line's dry. Just a hair. But I'm not, as you can tell. Where did that line go? Oh, there's one there. I use some orange now, like a deeper orange. If you have a deeper orange pink, that'll work as well. But I don't, so I'm going to use this deep orange I have in this eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to just brush that over these lines. And this is giving your face the deeper lines of a pumpkin. And kind of makes it more, I don't know, jack-o'-lantern-y. By the way, to fill this stuff in, I actually used the Morphe palette. I used this dark color and this orange right here, and this is 15D. So that's all I did to create this look. I would apply some eyelashes, but like I said, I'm going out after this, so I'm not gonna do that for you guys. Sorry, but this is how I would do a like fun and creepy jack-o'-lantern. I think it looks cool. I think it looks kind of creepy and like messy, and like if you wore this with like a black shirt, and if you made the paint go down more your neck, it would look really cool as well. Sorry this tutorial's not the best. I just really wanted to throw one out there today. As you can tell, it looks like I hardly used any paint. But yeah, this is the palette after I've used it. Looks fine to me. So thank you guys for watching, and see you soon with another Halloween tutorial. This one I think is much better than my other one that I just don't care for. It's not my favorite look. But anyways, thank you. Bye.